Hello, my friends. It's Mrs. Gorski back. And today, what we're going to be doing, we are going to be talking about 2D shapes. 2D shapes are flat. And some of these 2D shapes that we're going to be talking about, you probably already know. So this will be a good review for some of you. So what we're going to do, we're going to count their sides. We're going to count their points or corners or vertices. There's a couple ways you could say that. And we're going to be talking about different things that I found in my house that can compare to each 2D shape I'm going to show you today. So our first 2D shape is this. It's called a circle. Circles are one big curve. So we can't count sides or points on a circle because they don't have any. We can't count curves as sides. We could only count sides as being straight. So let's talk about something that I found in my house that reminds me of a circle. And I hope you're not hungry. Boys and girls, I wonder if you know what this is. Yep, it's an Oreo cookie. And they're sweet and they're scrumptious, and it definitely reminds me of a circle. So let's go ahead and let's do another shape. Now this one is an oval. Ovals are very similar to circles because, again, they will not have any straight sides to count or any points or corners to count. So when you look at an oval, you're going to be looking at a shape that has no sides. It still has one curve. So then again, we can't count them. But let's see what I found in my house that reminds me of an oval. So you can see it a little bit better. This is a picture frame. And notice how my oval looks very much like my picture frame. Very oval in shape, no straight sides. All right, let's do another shape. Let's do this one now. This is a triangle. Now, I don't see any curves on this triangle. I see straight sides. When I see straight sides, you know I'm going to see points. So let's count those sides. 1, 2, 3. Let's count those points. 1, 2, 3. So therefore, a triangle has 3 sides, or we could also say 3 points, 3 corners, or that big word, vertices. So let's see what I found in my house that reminds me of a triangle. And again, I hope you're not going to be hungry. Oh, goodness gracious, yes. I found a chip bag. Now, these are Doritos, and they do have chips that are triangular in shape. Even in their logo, I definitely see a triangle. There's my 3 sides. There's my 3 points. All right, boys and girls, let's go to the next shape. Now, this one is a rectangle. So let's start counting his sides. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And then let's count their points. 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So let's take a look and let's see what I found in my house. That's a rectangle. This, I know, and it matches my mat very well, but this is an envelope. An envelope that I could send a letter to someone. And again, just like my rectangle, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Let's go to the next one. I'm going to put them like this because you can see the name a little bit better. This one is a rhombus. Rhombus has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides again. 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Usually sometimes when we see a rhombus, we could also see it like this. A lot of times we could also call a rhombus a diamond, but the true math name that I like to teach all my kindergarten friends, and first and second grade, of course, is the word rhombus. So here we go. Let me find the rhombus that I found in my house. It's shiny. It's pretty. This is a little fashion ring that looks very rhombus in shape. So you can see, you can compare the two. There you go. There's a rhombus. All right, let's go to the next one. Here's one I think everybody knows too. Here we go. We are looking right now at a square. Let's count his sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I have 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's take a look and see what I found in my house that is a square. This, my friends, is a magnet that I put on my refrigerator. My daughter actually painted this with beautiful sunflowers. So look, it's very square in shape. I see the 4 sides. I see the 4 points. This is the square I have in my house. All right, let's go to the next one. The next one is going to be trapezoid. Now, this one is a little bit more difficult to be finding in a house, but let's go ahead and take a look at the sides and points. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. How many points? 1, 2, 3, 4 points as well. So now what I want to do, I want to tell you where I found this item, and I might have to bring you up a little bit here, boys and girls, so you could see it a little bit better. All right, now this is a popcorn container. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to bring it to the side that is mainly white. Now granted, yes, you do see a scalloped edge on this, but I'm going to turn it over just like that. Let me actually lift it a little bit more so you can see it better. And then you can see there's that trapezoid. All right, let's go ahead and do the next one, which is, let's bring you back down, a hexagon. So our sides and points are going to change up a little on this one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Let's count those points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. Wait till you see what I found in my house with the hexagon. And it is heavy. Boys and girls, I found a weight. Now, this is something that people use to exercise with. So here I go. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. I can't believe how much it looks like a hexagon. Check it out. There we have it. So there we have our weight. Well, boys and girls, that concludes our little shape tutorial here. Let me bring back all our shapes so you can take a quick look at them again. Let's just say their names one more time. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so we started with our oval and our circle, then our triangle, then we have a square, rhombus, trapezoid, rectangle, and hexagon. Boys and girls, I hope you had fun today. I hope you get to practice a little bit at home, and I hope you get to find some 2D shapes in your house. And I'll be talking to you soon. Bye, everyone.